Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacino. Nice rally in Tesla today. By the way, 4-hour time frame, just jumping down there. We have the first cross again, finding support as it's separating and running back up. So 4-hour is now neutral to slightly bullish. Daily is still bearish, although shifting to neutral. And that's about it. We'll do a weekly wrap-up tomorrow. So key area we'll be watching tomorrow is about 229.50. Above 229.50, we'll be watching a return to 232.50. Then we have 235, then 237.80 are all the key levels to the upside. Still, key support area we're watching is about 219. If we drop below 219, then we'll be watching for a gap fill back down to the 215.77 area. And then below that, in case there's some big sell-off or something happened, it would be the 211 cluster. That's really all to talk about right now. Finally a decent volume up day, so we'll see if this can sustain, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.